WheezeScan uses an innovative listening algorithm to detect wheeze. A high-definition microphone collects breathing sounds even at low volumes. The device's microcomputer then analyzes the sounds to determine if wheeze is present. With clinically validated accuracy, WheezeScan helps parents identify wheeze early, so they know when to follow their doctor's treatment plan. A free companion app allows parents to keep track of wheezing, any triggers, and their child's medications to help them manage asthma symptoms at home, or to reference during their child's next office visit.